Welcome back to Dailylight Academy. Thanks for watching. Today, I would like to bring you a necessary update concerning upkeep. Currently, a lot of students are facing issue concerning their upkeep, the upkeep for August and for the September. People have not yet received their upkeep for the month of September, and this was as a result of the NAS, National Association of Nigerian Students. They are currently agitating that there should be increase in the upkeep as a result of the hike in prices and the economic status. The price of things have gone haywire, so they are trying to make a demand that the next fund should increase the upkeep from 20,000 to 40,000. So this might be the condition whereby there is a quite delay in everyone to receive their upkeep, and this is a personal decision which next fund has to make. So anytime from now, you should be expecting your upkeep if you applied for the student loan and you have already received your August payment. The next point here is that those that are facing issue, some people, instead of their bank account, they submitting wallet account. And I would like to differentiate this. Wallet account is different from bank account. What I mean by bank account are GT Bank, Access Bank, and wallet account. Example like Opay, Palmpay, Kuda, and those that submitted wallet account in respect to Opay, Palmpay, they have not been able to receive their payment. But right now, we have reached out to the next funds right here in University of Ibadan, and what they told us that we should try and note that this issue might not be general, meaning that if you are facing any issue, try and ask others that submitted the same wallet account, have they been credited? And if not, then you can reach out to their office. You can just watch the video on the screen on how to reach out to them. These are the latest updates you need to know concerning the upkeep. In a nutshell, the delay in this September upkeep payment was as a result of the NAS, the National Association of Nigerian Students. They are agitating that the 20,000 naira for monthly upkeep is quite small as the situation of the Nigerian economy is going. So they are planning to increase it to 40,000 naira. So anytime from now, either they increase it or not, you will see the payment on each of your submitted account details. And finally, those that submitted the wallet account, they can reach out to next fund. Note, they can reach out to next fund by watching the video at the top of this screen right now. Just watch the video on the latest new method to reach out to next fund. If you have not liked this video, kindly like, and I'd like you to subscribe so you will not miss out of the upcoming update. Thanks for watching.